Bro, there's levels to fame. Like, I I got recognized maybe like a few times, like with How Tos by Bros in the back in the day. I don't know. I don't know why I didn't get recognized more with How Tos by Bros because we got a lot of views, but a lot of people that like were in our friend groups would be like, "Oh, we used to watch your videos," or "You watched like I watched your videos." But it's an interesting thing. Fame, like my experience with fame uh, and being recognized is like, so yeah, like I got recognized like in California once, and that was like crazy, or twice in California, I think, and that was crazy. Me and Evan got recognized, and then like fast forward, like when I started doing Instagram, like it took a long time for people like for me to get recognized in Surprise, and then I started like doing like videos with the high schools and stuff, and then it was like every time I'd go to like In and Out or Canes, I would get recognized, and I thought that was like a high level of recognition or fame. Um, and then I got to like, and then like the last like, let's see, yeah, like well, even at churches, like people knew me, like you know, and then I thought that was a high level of fame. I had like 18K followers, and then like one video was blowing up, maybe one or two videos was blowing up, probably mainly one, and then boom, like that's another level of fame because like 7 million views on one video is crazy. Boom, and then it's like, um, now fast forward to today. That was like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. Fast forward to today, it's like recognized like way more often. Like I never been recognized more than I am today. I got recognized in a different states like four times, Kentucky, and not even in California, not even on the West Coast. So it's like, okay, this is significantly different, and it's just interesting to think about fame and it and talk about it with you guys recognition. Um, but yeah, it's just like, and then also of a sudden, like like I'll go to a Bible study and somebody won't know me, like I won't be connected to them, and then they'll know me, and then like it's just like way, like it's like a snowball, and obviously it's not all about recognition, fame, but it's just an interesting thing that happens where it's like it doesn't. Um, it's just an interesting thing. Um, and fame is fleeting and it's empty and all that, but it's still like cool to get recognized. Like I now I have 100K followers, 119K on Instagram alone, and it's like okay, now it's like a different level of fame where it's like I'll get recognized like when I go out, probably like at least it depends, but at least like maybe like three times or something. Before it was like every couple, like every week, maybe. So it's interesting. But anyways, I wanted to talk about that.